The Ravenshoe Café explosion will prompt changes to the way future mass emergencies are handled. Max Futcher is at Queensland's largest hospital. Max, this stems from a review into last year's tragedy. What does it actually say?
There are 30 recommendations, Bill, among them that each hospital should develop its own mass casualty incident plan. That is a kind of tailored approach to dealing with these situations if they happen in that hospital's region. Now, that explosion at the Serves You Right Cafe last June resulted in the deaths of 2 women and 19 people were injured. That led to the largest airlift of burns victims in Queensland's history. Some of them went to Cairns Hospital, some of them here to the Royal Brisbane. That emergency response.
They did an amazing job in June last year in caring for patients and their families, and it's been a very long road to recovery.
And the review also recommends live video streaming from emergency scenes to a command centre to help coordinate any emergencies of this scale in the future.